Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to activate a Venmo card. So here's the step by step on how we will do it. So we are here in the Venmo Help Center, and in this article it says Venmo debit card activation. So how to activate your Venmo Mastercard debit card. So it says that when you have received your physical Venmo debit card and are ready to activate it, just follow the steps in your Venmo app. So first step is to go to the cards tab and then select the Venmo debit card section. Step 3 is to tap on the activate. Step 4, enter the CVV listed on the card. Step 5 is to create a PIN for your card or enter the PIN if you have already set one up. And once you see the green notification indicator, then your card is ready for use. And that's how you do or activate your Venmo card.